Here's the Strip Shopping Mall project by Corey. The idea behind this project is to become familiar with parking layout, relationship of the number of the parking to the occupancy load, and some of the constraints of small strip shopping malls. First, you want to identify the location, do some quick analysis and study. You go through Google Maps, Fairfax County site, and find some of the core information. You then dig further into Article 4, which deals with commercial district regulations. Highway Commercial District, C8. You then quickly compose the site using CAD, extrude the mass to get a massing model so you have a sense of this project in terms of massing composition and the square footage. Here you have your strip shopping mall. Here you have your isolated anchor unit. Could be daycare, in this case it's daycare, it could be exercise unit. Floating unit, it could be a bank or some type of fast food unit. You want to identify the square footage of each type. You then continue with Fairfax County zoning ordinance, this time Article 11, off-street parking and loading and private streets, and identify accessibility requirements as well, means of egress and the radiuses for private streets and the size of the streets, as well as minimum requirements for spaces required for commercial uses. And then you want to go through the calculation, identify the occupancy load. Then you continue with number of the parking. This occupancy load is directly linked with unit typology, mercantile. You also would like to deal with number of parking spaces, and that's it.